Hi everyone, today we're making Spanish style stuffed fish. It is one of those recipes that feels fancy, but it's actually super easy to make. For the ingredients we need 4 flounder fillets, but any white fish will work just fine. We need some onion, I'm only using half of this one. 3 potatoes, we need 4 tomatoes, and some soft cheese. I'm using hokoki, but lafni or ricotta will do. And for the seasoning, I keep it very simple, just sea salt, oregano, garlic powder, and thyme. Some optional ingredients are extra virgin olive oil and the juice of 1 lime. Now preheat your oven at 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius. Now let's slice our potatoes. I'm cutting mine about ½ centimeter thick, so just like this. This way they will cook way faster. Now this next step is completely optional, but I'm drizzling a bit of extra virgin olive oil. If you want to skip the oil, that's completely fine. Okay, let's spread the oil around the pan and arrange our potatoes in a spiral shape until the whole pan is covered. So just like this, and when we finish, we set it aside. The next step is to slice the onion. We want the onion thin, but not too thin. As I mentioned, I am only using half of this, so probably a medium onion will work just fine. Now when we finish slicing the onion, we're gonna layer it over the potatoes. We're gonna sprinkle about a teaspoon of salt, drizzle a bit of olive oil if you want. And now that we are done assembling the potatoes and the onions, it's ready to pop into the oven for 15 minutes. While that's baking, let's stuff the fish so we save some time. First, grab a large spoon that you will use to scoop out your cheese. Now take your fillet and layer it in a flat surface. Go ahead and scoop a big spoon of this soft cheese and spread it across. Season with 1 teaspoon of thyme, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, ½ teaspoon of oregano, and just a pinch of salt. Now roll it up just like that. And if you had toothpicks, use one to hold the fish together, and repeat for the other fillets. So once you're done, you can set this aside. Okay, next the tomatoes. Just dice them into medium cubes, about 1 centimeter thick. So once you're done, set them aside because we are going to use them in a minute. Checking on the potatoes. So if you poke them with a toothpick, if it goes easily, they are good. These ones are gonna finish cooking with the fish. Okay, now the next step is to place the fish on top of the potatoes. Then take all those tomatoes we chopped and scatter them around the fish. Now we season again. Add thyme, we're being very generous with the thyme here. Then garlic powder, just a pinch. And maybe another teaspoon of salt, but don't go too heavy since we already added some. Alright, that's it for the prep. Back into the oven it goes for around 30 minutes or until the fish is fully cooked. Alright, the fish is pretty much done here, so let's take it out of the oven. Now remove the toothpicks carefully. Now take a second to appreciate how good this looks. The tomatoes are juicy, the potatoes are tender, and that fish is so soft. Now if you got a lime, I highly recommend you squeezing some juice over the top. It's not required, but it's so worth it. And that's it. It looks fancy, it smells amazing, and it's made with just a few real fresh ingredients. Let me know if you try it, and if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe so I know to keep sharing more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!